Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens. We're doing box of Panini Prime, so we're doing box 41, 46 for Dom. Good luck to you, Domson. Okay. Yeah, I think you should probably see your card here on Friday or tomorrow or Monday, hopefully, because it was mailed up Monday this year. Okay, so here we go. So we have a base of Mike Modano at $2.99. We have ourselves a silver base of Eric Stahl out of 50. Silver base. Oh, sick. Wow. We have a Prime Times rookie patch auto. 1 of 5. Nathan McKinnon. Wow. There you go, Dom. Monstrous hit. And just so you know, like you're probably aware of the top there, right? Like all of those have a little bit of chipping on the top of the edge. Panini won't do much about it. So just so you are aware, it is a common problem on these cards. And Prime Colors, Marcel Dion. Marcel Dion. Logos out of 24. Prime Colors. Wow, and it seems incredible. Of Alex Chason out of 10. Alex Chason. And we have ourselves a quad of Ryan Getzlaf, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Ryan Strome, and Ryan O'Reilly out of 50. And our next one is a quad jersey auto of Philip Forsberg out of 199. Quad jersey of Nathan Beaulieu out of 199. And Chris Kreider, $2.99. So there we have it. Solid box, Dom. Congrats on the Nathan McKinnon.